O projeto para a zona da Alvenaria do bairro da Boa Vista prevê a construção de 460 fogos de tipologias T1, T2, T3 e T4. Cada lote acomodará um edifício tipo de 10 fogos que será repetido na totalidade dos 46 lotes previstos no plano de loteamento elaborado pela Câmara Municipal de Lisboa.
One of the fundamental aspects of our project is a demonstration of the capacity of architectural form to define and give quality to urban space. So the architectural form defines these small plazas along the street that have a triple meaning. They are small plazas, public spaces. They also work as front gardens because they give access to the units, and they also work as allotments. But they are primarily a space for social engagement amongst the neighbourhoods and to give the project a sense of community as a whole.
Each project has its own story. The Alvenaria social housing project in Lisbon had its own. We spoke about scale, proportion, geometry. We spoke about the client, the program, economic strategies. We spoke about sustainable living habits. What made this project so interesting was the ambition we had of drawing and conceiving an entire new neighbourhood. This was exciting.
A configuração volumétrica proposta quebra a monotonia do padrão urbano resultante da repetição do lote. Ao nível da rua, a variedade de sércias e o posicionamento relativo de cada volume formarão uma silhueta complexa que produzirá uma configuração de sombras variada, evocando a complexidade das topografias urbanas das grandes cidades.
The final proposal basically departs from this solid bar. We divided that solid bar into two, and then each of these halves is further fragmented into two halves and generating 4 volumes. So we shifted the volumes towards or away from the street, and that generates the plazas and the small public spaces in between the buildings. So we adjusted the roof levels in order to create a sense of variety in the composition, but most importantly, of course, to accommodate the space and the volume that was necessary to accommodate 10 residential units in each plot in total.
Ao quebrar a escala dos grandes edifícios de habitação coletiva, os volumes invocam a individualidade da moradia unifamiliar. Desta mediação de escala resulta a possibilidade de evitar o alçado repetitivo típico das grandes periferias urbanas. Assim, cada edifício expressa simultaneamente a sua singularidade, na expressão da sua verticalidade, na composição do alçado e na implantação, e a sua similaridade com o edifício vizinho, na materialidade, na linguagem da arquitetura e no diálogo estabelecido pela partilha do espaço público.
We had this unique opportunity to define a way of life, providing light, space, comfort, privacy and security. Architecture is for people. Bearing this in mind, hopefully we'll improve the quality of life for these families and maybe we'll make this new neighbourhood a better place to live.